Hello and welcome back to our channel, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. For most people, no matter their age or status, being able to earn passively is the ultimate desire. It's something I'm focusing on as I embark on my financial freedom journey. It's a lot easier to cut costs than to boost your income. As a result, in order to improve my financial future, I'm much more revenue-oriented. Do you imagine earning money even when you're asleep? Or just taking a holiday? Who would really hate that sort of income? Well, although this is much easier said than done, to make things much easier for everyone, a number of apps have been developed. Today, we're examining some of the best passive income apps we have on the market and seeing how your finances can be turned around. After intensive research on the best apps for passive income, as well as trying some of them out, here is a comprehensive list of some of the best ones. If your goal is to earn real passive income, the app for you is Fundrise. Unlike many other apps mentioned, Fundrise is entirely different from a loyalty program, cashback, or lock screen reward app. The platform focuses on making money through investments in real estate. With Fundrise, you have a chance to invest your hard-earned money in a portfolio full of active real estate projects based on your objectives. To facilitate the growth of your net worth, each project in these portfolios is wisely selected and proactively developed. This app is among the best apps for passive income, which can help you achieve the desired financial freedom easily. The Fundrise app allows you to invest in a project worth $1 million without cleaning out your bank account. The app will also update you on each project's progress in your portfolio. The platform provides an iPhone app that gives you access to every feature on desktops that is available. This implies that every feature on the go can simply be accessed. While most real investment applications are only available to accredited investors, some of the products offered by Fundrise are available to non-accredited investors as well. In terms of payments, one of the apps that pay their investors dividends is Fundrise, through a program they called a dividend reinvestment program. You can even choose to reinvest these dividends, DRIP. While Fundrise will help you accumulate assets, make sure to manage all of these assets using apps such as Personal Capital. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is the perfect answer if you've always wanted to know how to make extra money while doing fun and easy tasks. Not only do you have shopping and cash offers, but this cashback program also rewards you for watching TV, taking online surveys, etc. In other words, for everyday activities. Inbox Dollars is the reward club that pays out money. For shopping, browsing the web, watching videos, and taking surveys, you can get real, hard cash. To make money on the go, they have one of the top-rated mobile apps out there. It's not going to make you a ton of cash, but it's small wins like Inbox Dollars that can help you earn extra cash for a little extra work. Inbox Dollars is a company rated A+ by BBB. It has paid over $59 million to its members for daily online activities since its foundation in 2000. They're even going to give you a $5 bonus for simply signing up. Airbnb. My favorite passive income app is probably Airbnb. Airbnb also has the most potential. From Airbnb, you can earn much more money than any other app out there. I made at least $500 per month for myself simply by renting out an extra room in my house. I use this extra revenue to finance investments that will improve my financial future. For people wanting to earn extra cash, Airbnb is a great option. You can instantly tap into the database of millions of users that can become clients. You can list your room and you'll have customers on the same day. In no time, you'll have cash flow in your pocket. Payments are made through PayPal, so getting your money directly into your bank account or investment account is easy. Paribus. Don't just make and leave a purchase at that. With the Paribus app, when the price of some item goes down, you can monitor the cost of your already done purchases and get refunds. To track your purchases and scan all your receipts, this platform, which has its roots in America, syncs with your email. The app negotiates a refund for you whenever a lower price of a product you bought appears. The price difference will be sent to you, although only for the purchases you recently made. This implies that for all purchases rather than for recent ones, the refund does not apply. But how good can it be here? Imagine earning refunds for items that you've already purchased. Well, you've got a chance with Paribus to make easy passive income. Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates. Perhaps one of the most famous apps offering shopping rewards to users is Rakuten. Rakuten acquired Ebates way back in 2014, but much later in 2018, the full integration of the two was done. The new Rakuten app works similarly to the old Ebates app even with the integration. It gives you an opportunity to connect with a myriad of online businesses that, especially when you shop, will pay you cashback rewards. The app gets the revenue it uses, mainly from different affiliate network links, for the reward program. These stores pay Rakuten to introduce shoppers to them by connecting with over 2,500 stores, and Rakuten shares the commission with its users. This is not a points app, and joining does not require any forms. They charge 0 fees, too. Just join in, shop, and passively receive cash back for doing what you always do. All your favorite stores are in Rakuten, and you can earn as much as 40% cash back. Best part? Rakuten has a $10 bonus simply for signing up. Honeygain. Honeygain is one of them if you've been searching for an excellent and legitimate passive income app. This app is a great source of additional revenue and requires minimal effort on your part. What this app does, by turning your device into a gateway, is allow you to achieve the full potential of your unused internet. This platform will be used by data scientists to access the internet, while the app manages all of the scientists' link, protecting them strictly. You earn $1 for every 10 GB of data usage by allowing the application to use your device as a gateway. One thing that is evident in their patterns of use is that some nights they will use more data and on others, less data. Usage depends entirely on demand. You can earn between $40 and $50 in a good month, and you can redeem that money through PayPal. The platform also includes a coupon code known as Secret5 that allows a $5 bonus to be given to new entrants. Honeygain is one of the top passive income apps we have around, which can make extra bucks easy for you. Fronto. Fronto is yet another awesome app on the list of best passive income applications that can't be missed. For apps that pay to use your lock screen, especially in terms of pay, the app is in the front row. And although it has been difficult to determine exactly how much one can earn, we can still make a close assessment. Some users of this app say they earn $5 a month, while others claim to earn up to $20 a month. We can say that it's possible for one to earn $10 each month with the app when we average this. The yearly calculation shows that your passive revenue sources, you can simply add $120 every year. That's not bad at all, especially given that you don't invest anything to earn that money. The major distinction between this app and others is that by engaging more with the ads, you can increase your earnings. Acorns. It can be tough to find money to invest, especially if you're on a shoestring budget. The Acorns app helps you painlessly find the money. Without even realizing it, it adds up quickly. You'll be linked to your Acorns account with your debit and credit cards. That cost is rounded up to the nearest dollar each time you buy something. Then, the spare change is deposited into your Acorns account from that rounded up amount. Whenever you want, you can also make deposits into your Acorns account. And it's there in your account when you need the money, ASAP. There are no withdrawal fees or penalties. The balance of your account is put into an investment portfolio that includes a variety of exchange-traded funds, i.e. invested in the stock market, from Vanguard. Acorns is not free for accounts with less than $5,000 in them. It charges $1 a month. But it may still be a good deal if it helps you save money and invest in your future. It's a cool service, but you might be wondering where the opportunities for passive revenue come in. Acorn has a service called Found Money, which is essentially a cashback site that makes it one of the great apps for making money. If you shop through Acorns, you'll get funneled back into your Acorns account with part of the money you spent. That is extra money for which you don't have to work. Acorns have great ratings from iPhone and Android users alike. It has become much simpler in the present age and technology to be able to earn a passive income. There are so many apps at your disposal that can help you do this without breaking much of a sweat. But the apps that offer the best rewards or returns still need to be identified. This detailed list provides you with some of the best applications for passive income that can really earn you a solid cash flow. Choose the one that best suits you, or a combination of several of them, and increase your passive income sources. If you want to learn more about how to add some extra buck into your account, you can watch more videos on our channel. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated for new videos on how to make money online. Thank you for watching. Until next time.